Hello guys, welcome to just a quick video talking about clipper maintenance. So usually with your clippers, you're going to want to disinfect them after every haircut. It's to prevent any cross-contamination, so you just sterilize it as soon as you're done with the haircut and then you're all good. There's no difference between sterilizing your trimmers or your clippers. It's the same thing. But in terms of oiling, you don't necessarily need to oil them every single haircut. Because sometimes it will say, oh yeah, you need to oil it after every use, but that's not really the case. Because depending on how much oil that you actually put on the clippers, it can still last a few haircuts. So usually what I'd say is you can oil them, let's say every 2 to 3 days, and you should be good. If you're going to be using your clippers quite a lot, then maybe you're probably going to have to oil them a bit more. But generally you'll be able to tell when the clipper needs oil because it will start to get quite hot. But that's pretty much it. In terms of clipper maintenance. One other thing, every so often you want to take apart your clippers. I mean, take the cover off, take the blade off, just so you can see how everything's running, if all like the electricals are working, and also if there's no hair actually stuck inside the body of the clipper. I've done it with this one. So I've taken it all apart and then pretty much put it all back together, and I found like little bits that kind of need adjusting or just cleaning out, and that'll ensure that your clipper's working at 100%. So yeah, that is pretty much it in terms of clipper maintenance. Okay, next we're going to be talking about scissors. It's exactly the same thing. So you need to be sterilizing your scissors after every haircut, again, to prevent any cross-contamination, cross-infection with client to client. Oiling, though, you don't really need to oil these as often as your clippers. Oiling scissors, you can oil them, I'd say, every 2 to 3 months because they don't need regular oiling. But yeah, in terms of scissors, it's relatively straightforward. You don't need to do that much. Just as long as you do keep on top of it when you do something to them, they should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. That has just been a sneak peek at Lourenço's, and I shall see you in the next video.